guys, I'm El Patronn.
I'm Sue.
She's Sue, a vice president of American Credit in the Northeast region. Okay, and we did vacations together, right?
We did. We went to Hawaii together.
And guess what? By popular demand, they brought it back for next year. So right now, we got going on. It's basically going to Maui. So you want to explain a little bit more about the program?
Well, we have the FASTLANE program. It's a trip to Hawaii, to Maui. It's a 4-month contest.
Nice.
Dealers have their goal that they need to reach in that 4-month time frame, and they get to go to Hawaii. And it isn't just one trip. They have additional goals that they can meet, and more than one trip can be one. It could be 2, it could be 3. So if you say, well, my owner's going to take the trip, not necessarily, or yeah, maybe your owner will take the trip, but you can win a second one and you can go.
Guys, I'll be taking that trip, okay?
Yes.
Just so you know.
Rudy will be there again with us.
Absolutely. So reach out to your rep, guys. Highly recommend it. All expenses are paid. It's a very nice trip, and the program is very easy, and actually you can maximize the deal even more with the rewards program, okay? So reach out to your rep. She approves the message. I approve it as well. Let's go. American Credit.
Aloha.